And welcome to Yoga for One. I'm your host and the author, Dr. Suzie Carmack. Today I'd like to share with you my traffic light method from the book Yoga for One, which is going to help you to modify the practice for folks with mobility and medical concerns. In the red zone, we use the chair for support, yellow zone blocks, and work up to using the mat in the green zone. In the red zone, we can use the support of the chair to focus on stabilization of the lower body. Here we're still active in the legs, gently pushing our feet towards the floor. We can also move our arms, bringing our intention for the day into our heart center. Here we're breathing in as we lengthen our arms and exhaling as we bring our arms back. We can change sides and symbolically shift our energy in terms of what we would like to give to the day, imagining our intention coming from our heart center, being shared with the world around us. We are grounding ourselves in the awareness that our yoga practice is here to help us to find strength internally so we can be of service to the world. In the yellow zone, we're taking our feet about the same distance apart and bending our knees so that our knees are tracking towards our center toe. We're holding the blocks to focus on our core strength by gently pressing into the blocks. This is simply an awareness exercise. We can move the legs up and down or choose to be static in the posture, adding different arm variations. Once we're done, we're simply coming up to standing. In the green zone, we take our feet the same distance apart, and we can have fun mobilizing the hips here. But as we do so, let's double check that our knees are not rolling in of our big toe. We're gently sitting back in the posture and trying our best to keep a neutral spine. Notice there's a hip hinge with the neutral spine leaning forward. Once we find the posture that's stable in the lower body, we can practice moving up and down, dynamically stretching the legs. The arms can take as much mobility as is comfortable for us for our medical concerns and mobility challenges, and we can bring our intention back to center. And there you have it, Garland posture, focused on in my new book, Yoga for One. I hope you'll join me for this entire traffic light method series, where you'll learn how you can modify practices for all bodies safely. I also hope that you'll check out the book and certifications using the link below. But for now, I wish you well as you take great care of your well-being. Namaste.